Hello everyone, over here we have a new headliner for Cascadia 2018, and let's start to test how it's looking for when we put the lights. So let's start turning around all the lights. So over here we can try to, over here it's gonna be more yellow one. If we go there, it's whiter. Yeah, this is for the color of the light. And then over here we have the level. This is the maximum level. Almost, yeah, 100 already. And over here is for put it down. Yeah, it's not gonna be more lower. This is for the level. And then downstairs over here you can see we have different kind of readers. For example, in this one, signing, yeah, this is the light. And then for the reading day, okay, the other reader, the good. And then for the other one, okay. And also over here you can see we also have different kind of road. For example, in the city you can see, yeah, they also have a different light. The other one, this is in the mountain. Yeah, over here, and the other one, the last one, we have different kind of signing. We have the first one is white for the white, this one for the yellow. Then it's almost like white and yellow together. Okay, that's all guys.